Hello and welcome to Excel in 5 minutes. Today we learn about the function COUNTIF. If I want to count the number by category, like here, I have the regular function count. I write equal count and then I take everything with the word car. 1, 2 and 3. I have 3 times the word car, and I can take this for the toy and the food. Let's check with the F2 3 times. Okay, but I have the COUNTIF if I have a lot of data, and I write this equal COUNTIF, and then I open the function and I have the range and I have the category. The category here is the car, and I press on OK button 3 times. The toy also and the food also. This is the function COUNTIF. Let's do summary. I have the range, I have the category, and that's the COUNTIF if I have a big of data. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.